I am Dr. Raj Gajbhiye. I am advanced laparoscopic surgeon, bariatric surgeon, and I am Dean of Government Medical College, Nagpur. Our experience with this robot is too good. Operative movements of the robotic arms, they are very smooth, and the instruments are sturdy, as well as very much easy to clean the instruments and to redock the instruments. So the vision is very good. It's an excellent robot. I wish that all of you can have a hands-on experience on robotic system. Robotic Mantra system is concerned, we have done 300 procedures in last 1.5 years, and we have performed all the procedures, all the major, supra-major procedures on this system, and many even robotic Whipple procedures also. As well as we have used this robot for umbilical hernias. Gynecology department has done robotic hysterectomies. Our urology department has done robotic nephrectomies, robotic pyeloplasties, and even we have done robotic transplants in our hospital. Similarly, in our cardiothoracic department, we have done one case of CAB, robotic CABG also. Surgeries which are being undertaken by robotic systems, it has a very high precision, as well as there are no tremors. The vision is 10x and it is too good. The 3D vision it has. Similarly, there are many advantages of this system, like we have done telesurgeries from almost 1000 kilometers. Even our experience with telesurgery is very good. There was no time lag. In thoracic surgeries, while mobilizing the esophagus in case of carcinoma esophagus, while doing esophagectomies, it has a great advantage, as we have 360 degrees of movement of the tip of the instruments, and that is very advantageous as far as the VATS esophagectomies are concerned. We are very happy with this system. SSI Innovations provide a very good support, like one or two persons who are stationed at our center, and they are always there to take care of the robot in case if we are stuck up in some procedure. Immediate help is available, as well as if you have some problem with the instruments, immediately the instruments or the equipments get replaced immediately. And the support system, and we had undergone our team, they are very helpful in nature.